MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides professional commercial air duct cleaning in Pottstown, PA, helping businesses maintain clean, healthy, and efficient work environments. Over time, dust, debris, and contaminants can build up in commercial duct systems, affecting indoor air quality and HVAC performance. Our skilled technicians use advanced equipment to thoroughly clean ductwork, improving airflow and supporting energy efficiency. Regular air duct cleaning can help reduce allergens, control odors, and create a more comfortable space for employees and customers. Trust MAC HVAC Service and Repair for reliable commercial air duct cleaning in Pottstown, PA. Contact MAC HVAC Service and Repair to learn more about our services. Are you looking for the commercial air duct cleaning near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair, who provides commercial air duct cleaning in Pottstown, PA. MAC HVAC Service and Repair offers professional commercial air duct cleaning in Pottstown, PA for offices, retail stores, medical facilities, warehouses, and other commercial properties. How much does commercial air duct cleaning cost in Pottstown, PA? The cost of commercial air duct cleaning in Pottstown, PA depends on the size of the building, the complexity of the duct system, and the level of buildup inside the ducts. Larger facilities with multiple HVAC zones may require more extensive cleaning. What is your commercial air duct cleaning in Pottstown, PA? Our local commercial air duct cleaning has served Pottstown, Earlville, Weavertown, Amityville, Douglasville, Unionville, Stowe, Bucktown, Pewtown, Ludwig's Corner, Gilbertsville, New Hanover, Fagleysville, Limerick, Linfield, Kenilworth, Parker Ford, Spring City, Royersford, Graterford, Pennsylvania. Where is the MAC HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 927 East High Street, Pottstown, Pennsylvania 19464. Our phone number is 610-672-3052. Visit our website, https://peachmashvats.com/air duct cleaning service Pottstown PA/.